Good evening, everyone. Tonight I thought I'd try and play this piece, C.P.E. Bach's Solfeggietto, slowly. It's 16 sixteenths in every bar. And the trick is to try and make each note have an equal length. And so if I can visualize as though I'm molding a vase, a clay vase that's spinning on a wheel for each note, and I go out and around and down in with my finger, I've got to have that same motion for each note so that I don't get some going blah, 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 unevenly. I've got to have each one a same shape to it. And that's besides the dynamics of the piece and the pedaling and the whole bit. But just to try and keep it even, because 16 sixteenths in every bar, and I need to hear every one shaped. So we'll give it a try and just see if I'm successful at all. It's a good way to practice anyway, even if it's not as successful as you want it to be at the start. Each time you do uneven practice, it'll become easier to mold that particular vase where there's unevenness happening, that note. So we'll give it a try. It's so tempting to want to go fast, and it's lots of fun. But it's not ready for that. It doesn't even have to go that fast because it's only allegretto with motion to the quarter. So if you think 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and think 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have to have such a loose wrist that you can get down, that gravity brings you down, so that you can go out and around and draw in and draw the shape of that vase, of that note for that particular spot that you're at. And you can have doorknob rotation in the wrist too. Remember, if it's a staccato quarter, that's like half on, half off. So it's not a staccato 16th, which is really sharp. It's you can be longer than this. Doorknob. But I don't like those because I'm not down in. You see, I got to be down in to be drawing. keys, you want to be down in with the balance. If you thought of a teeter-totter, and there's a barrel here, and you're out on the seashore, and you go on this end or you go on this end. It goes down this way or goes up this way. The finger's kind of like that, and if you can come up with the wrist on the other side of the teeter-totter, then it's just that much more. Just limpidly come up and then bleed into the next key. With as little finger movement as possible. And so on. I hope that gives you a few ideas on how to practice it and have fun with it. It's spelled Solfeggietto, Solfeggietto C.P.E. Bach, and I think you'd really enjoy this piece. Have a good night now.